To assign a ringtone to a contact on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, first we need to open the phone app. Next we need to select the contact for which we want to assign the ringtone, so of course go to contacts in the bottom right corner and then go to the contact. Now over here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find contact ringtone, so we can tap on it. And then here most likely you want to choose themes, unless you want to set up a custom ringtone that you have saved as an audio file on your phone. In that case you want to choose audio files, but otherwise you want to select themes. Now over here in this place we can choose pre-installed ringtones, and then here we have the full list of ringtones that we have on our phone, and then you can choose the ringtone that you wish to apply. Of course you can tap on the ringtone in order to play it, and then let's set it, press OK, and that's pretty much it. Keep in mind that most likely if you... Actually, never mind. I thought that maybe we cannot set up the ringtone for a contact that is saved on a SIM card, but apparently we can. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!